you. So, yun nga, friend nga talaga. Bani. Ayan, hindi talaga kami nagkaintindihan ba? Kasi ang gusto ko talaga yung barbecue. So, yung dapat yung gusto. Anyways, wala lang tayong magagawa. Kasi ito na yung kaya. Nakakaya na yung balik. Ang tinuturo ko talaga dapat yung iniihaw ni Madam. Yung iniihaw ni Madam kasi yung nakapansin ng attention. Wow.
10. 110.
May 110. Pork? Okay, 1 pork. Okay. 1 pork. Kasi chow.
Cái nào? Thì cho tí. Cái cơ 30.000 đô thôi.
Ano daw?
Có ghé 20 cho không?
Kaya 20. Ayan guys, para siya. Instead na tinusok, inipit nila sa dalawang stick. Ay wow! Perfect yung lambot guys. Grabe yung pagka-marinate. Sarap. Ayan ha. Tatry ko yan mamaya. Kaya pagpabalik na, hindi ko siya naisipan ngayon ha. Ay naglalakad na tayo, sayang na. Dito na tayo guys sa Main Street ng okay. Ito pala. Yeah, finally we're here. Ganda. Sabi daw pag weekdays, meron silang panghapon. Ang oras kasi is 1:20. So, ang time daw, late pala. Meron palang 11:40 AM kanina. So ngayon, yung susunod na train is 3:20 PM. Sabi, maaga kang dumating. Mga 30 minutes before. So, ganito yung eksena ng Main Street. Ayan. Feeling ko naman ang dating ng mga tao. Ano pa? Maya-maya pa. Grabe for the... Yung pawis ko dahil nagkakatak na for the... Ano na? For the lapot-lapot. Ayan. Actually, maaga tayong dumating eh. So, magtutupa lang. Sabi kasi 3:20 yung daan nung... Ayan. Where did the train go come here? Going there? Then pag going there? Yeah, later I will come. What time? What time the train? 3:15. Ang oras ngayon is alas 2 na. So ang daan daw ng train street is 3:20. So tayo na lang natin kung anong oras na ba. Parang dumami na yung tao. Di ba kanina walang masyado? So parang yun lang talaga yung pinaka-iintay ng tao here, yung pagdaan ng train. Tapon yung drinks ko guys. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, enjoy the time. Sorry, my friends. No problem. It's okay. Take a seat, my friend.
Will you record?
Yeah.
Will you recording me?
It's okay, no problem. Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yeah.
It's a part of Europe?
What?
Europe?
No, it's near Australia.
Australia?
Yeah, it's near Australia.
Oh,
But
near Australia.
I live in England. So I do live in Europe.
Europe.
Yeah, where are you from?
From Philippines.
Oh, I thought so.
You been to Philippines?
No, should I go? Is it good?
Yeah.
I've heard it's hard to travel because everything's like on different islands.
Yes, different.
But it's so beautiful.
Yes.
So I want to go there. Yeah, I will definitely. Sadly, just a load of like guys. He was like, oh, do you want a tour? And I was like, no, I'm okay. So I carried on walking, and then about 10 minutes later, he got bumped into me and he was, oh, you have to, you have to. I was like, okay, like, so that's why he just took me here. He was like, I'll show you around. I'm just like, okay.
2:38. Ayan. Pero nandito ako ng 2. Kanina hindi pa ganito karami yung tao. So, importante pala talaga guys na maaga kayong pumunta para, ayan. Kasi baka maubusan kayo ng lugar. So, antayin na lang natin guys yung train. Ayan, mga 30 minutes pa parating na yun. Yun lang naman talaga yung inaabangan ng lahat. Yung pagdaan ng train.
Yeah, I went to Thailand
Ayan.
and I went to Japan and
Japan.
Singapore.
Wow, Japan.
Japan was very nice. Yeah, it was nice.
I was in Sabah first.
It looked really nice.
Yeah, Sabah. But I think it's not new for you because in Australia, you from the country.
It's quite warm.
Quite warm.
Yeah, not this.
Not this, yeah.
No, it does get cold. So it's cold in summer, isn't it? Sabah?
Sabah is cold.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
So it's like 13.
yeah.
13 degrees.
See, I'd probably be used to that. But probably Philippines is like always warm. I assume.
Yeah,
Yeah.
warm. It's
What
like
about winter?
34 degrees.
What about?
We have beautiful beaches.
Oh yes.
Islands.
Yeah. I'm going to Halong Bay. Yeah.
Today, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. It looks
I was
quite
there
nice.
yesterday.
Oh, was it night?
Yeah.
I'm only going for one night. But
The tour, you will go to Halong Bay tomorrow.
yeah.
Yeah, so you avail the tour.
No, I'm not doing it tomorrow. Should
Because
I?
how if you go to Halong Bay, you should availing tour is much easier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you do a boat tour?
Yeah, it's a cruise. It's a cruise ship.
Yeah.
And then the cruise ship it has a free lunch buffet.
Oh, I've seen that.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah, it's very good. And they will bring you to the spot destination.
Did you see like the monkeys? Because I think there's a bit where there's like
monkeys?
Did you not?
I don't see any monkeys. Yeah.
I saw that some of the cruises do a little bit where there's like an island that's got monkeys on it. But maybe that one didn't.
Yes po.
Yes. Yes.
Jazzy.
Nakapag-tour kayo ng buong Asia?
Hindi pa po. Ano pa lang, Vietnam, Thailand, nakapunta rin ako sa Singapore.
Like business trip or private?
Ano po, ano lang talaga, bakasyon lang.
Next time.
Kasi dyan, iimbitahin ka niya sa Germany sa Hamburg.
Wow!
Maganda ka sa amin. Maganda Europe. The best.
Ay, ayun nga.
Pwede ka sa
Yeah, mag-iipon pa ng budget.
Pwede pa rin. When the train arrive, you not stand up, okay?
Stand up.
No,
Don't
no,
stand
no.
up.
Okay?
Just a seat.
Okay, no sit up. Okay, thank you.
You're running. Maybe no style.
Yeah.
How was that?
Very
Wait, is it coming from that? Oh, okay. I'm glad you said that because I would have been recording like that.
This is your angle.
Yeah.
Me too. That's very important. So, nag-ready na lahat. Guys, yung mga tao dito. Ayan. Paparating na, ay ni-mimit. Paparating na yung train. Yeah, so guys, pinatabi ko yung...
Not the line, okay? The table, not the line. Okay.
Yeah, guys,
Okay, thank you.
Ayan. So, pinatabi na yung mga tao, guys. Parating na daw yung train any moment. Ayan, nakaready na rin yung kanilang mga camera. Andiyan na yung train, guys. Remember.
Ay, second time.
Nagbigay sila guys ng tansa. Nilagay nila dyan sa release ng tree. Remembrance daw. So you're also going now?
Yeah, I have to
Yeah.
find my tour guide.
Okay, you enjoy huh? What's your name?
Kirsten. Kirsten, like Kirsten.
Kirsten.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, okay.
What's your name?
Jazzy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Kirsten.
Do you have Instagram or anything?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, sorry, I'm trying to find the cash. There you go.
This one? Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry for spilling your drink.
No, no problem. That's fine. It's okay.
Do you need the bill?
Ayan guys, so everyone is ready. Thank you. So guys, nakadaan na yung train. And yung mga tao paalis na. Ayan. Yun na. Bongga experience. Try nyo guys. What is that?
Welcome from Hello Giao Hồ Chí Minh Pagoda.
How much?
5 đồng OCP.
What? How much?
Yeah.
How much?
Fine.
Oh, expensive. Why?
How long Vietnam?
3 days only.
Okay, come.
Expensive.
Okay, come.
Yeah. I only want to go
Yeah.
only here.
Yeah, okay. Giao.
How
Okay.
much?
Okay, come.
Expensive. No. I only I will go here only.
Yeah.
Just one round.
Okay.
How much? One.
Okay, 3.
No, expensive. Super expensive. No, 50 only here.
Huh?
Only here. I will not go there.
Yeah, okay.
Just only here, 50. No.
How much?
50 only.
250.
No, 50.
Hey, Chu.
Ang mahal. No, I will go only here.
Yeah, đây.
Yeah, not there.
Lâu. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
only
Chu.
here.
Yeah. 250.
Expensive.
Huh?
Only. Cannot 50.
How much?
50.
$50.
50 Vietnam dong.
$50.
Vietnam dong.
Đô la là $20. 20.
Expensive. Okay. Ang kulit ha. Pinawisan ako. Parang nag-aaway doon sila. Kaya hirap makipagtalo sa mga.
Rao.
No. I wanna go only here.
Okay.
Just here only.
Okay.
How much? 200. Oh, that's a lot.
150. Okay. 150.
Kulit. No, I don't want now.
150.
Only one round.
Rao.
Yeah, one round here.
200.
Oh, that's a lot. Parang nagmumura na yata. Sabi niya puta. Mahirap makipag-negotiate. Di ba nakaka-orkot na? Masyado tayo kasing kuripo. Yeah, so today actually this is my last day here. And, ayan. So cute. Ayan, kung gusto mong mag-tour, ayan. Meron silang ganyan. Ayan guys, kung gusto nyo ng mga shirt, ng mga jacket, ayan. Yan ang kayang mabibili. Chinek-check ko yung mga price nila ng mga products ko. Pati mga shoes, kasi bumili ako ng shoes. Ayan sa Hanoi. Tapos dito tinanong ko dito kung magkano. Mga 3 store yung tinanongan ko yung magkakahiwalay. Ang mahal. Mahal po. Pero feeling ko mas mura sa Sapa. Mas mura yung mga bilihin. Compare nyo. Nakalimutan ko guys. Buti na alala ko ngayon. May pupuntahan din pala ako na na yung St. Joseph Cathedral dito sa Hanoi. Yung parang sikat na church dito na luma. Guys, nakikita ko na yung St. Joseph Cathedral ng 19th century. Ayan na siya. Grabe, ang ganda niya sa personal. Ayan guys. Ano ba siya? Natural? Feeling ko parang ano siya, hindi natural yung pagkaluma niya. Parang painting. Usually yung mga pumupunta rito, pumunta sila ng araw. Pero tayo, gabi natin siya napunta. Yan. Ang ganda niya paggabi, oh. Tingin nga tayo ng food na pwede natin makain. Siyempre tingnan natin kinakain ng mga ano dito. Mga local. Bigayahin lang natin siya. What do you say? That's a lot. Do you have ano for one person? Ah, yeah. Again, for one person only. Grilled fish. Grilled fish. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Uy, mura lang guys ah. Mura lang here. Only here? No more? What is that? Something like...
One set, two people. This set.
Ah. Ah, okay. That's a lot. You don't have a... Ah, okay. Ah, fried pork.
Five per four.
Hmm.
You take away or sit here.
Sit here.
Okay.
I will.
Profit.
I want to sit there.
Anh ơi.
Okay? Yeah, just here. Or here. Where? Okay, okay. Ayan. So, I will have the
Fried pork.
Ayan.
Potato.
Okay, I will have the okay, potato fries.
Potato fry.
I know, I mean
and,
French fries.
French fry and
And
pork. Right. Free pork.
yeah, fried pork. And okay.
Nó bảo bạn này xem này cho nó rõ này xem.
It's same.
Ah, same.
Xem.
Okay. Just a new new print. New print. Okay, I will have the where is that again?
Yeah. Fried pork and
Okay, fried pork and
French fry.
French fries.
Do you know?
Okay. Also drinks. What's expensive?
It's tangerine is very good. Tangerine juice. Very good.
Tangerine. What's tangerine? Ah, okay.
Same
Orange.
Same orange.
Ah, same orange.
Fried pork and French fry.
Ayan.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hey, what is that? This one. What is this? What is this?
Grilled fish nose.
What fish is that? Siyempre, kailangan talaga lahat ini-explain. Is that milkfish?
Yes.
Oh. Cabo?
Yes, cabo.
Cabo. Ah, okay. Is that safe? Is it not dangerous? Safe to eat?
It's yes.
Yeah, we can eat. It can eat.
One grilled fish.
Okay. Okay, I will try the cabo. Okay. I'll grilled fish
One
and
fish.
no
French.
no fries. Yes.
And
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sabi niya, please follow me. Ah, okay. O, dito pa rin naman tayo.
Thu tiền cho cô với. Cô 150.
Ayan. Umipat lang tayo ng ano. Ah, okay. Mas maliwanag here. Ayan. Dito pa rin tayo sa tapat na St. Joseph Cathedral.
If he pay out 100 each and 50 free.
Okay. Pay now?
Yeah, okay.
Kailangan ito magbayad. Kasi baka takasan na.
Cô ơi, trả lại con. Trả lại con của con là 15.000 nhá. It's later for you.
Okay. So ito na yun. Ito yung fish. Ano nga yung fish? Coca. What fish is that? Coca. Kaka. Ayan, meron fish. Grilled coca fish. Ayan. Ano ba? Naku, basta fish siya. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko. Tapos ito yung kanilang pork fries. Para siyang nugget siguro. Tapos ito yung fish na grilled. Masarap yung fish in fairness. Ano siya? Grilled. Sarap din ang sauce nila guys. Chobi. Ang lasa niya pala, para siyang fish siya pero may pagkalasa siyang pusit. Parang gano'n. Pero fish siya. Chewy. Sarap guys Kailangan talaga pag nasa ibang lugar tayo, tumatry tayo ng local food nila. Ayan, may na-discover tayong bagong pagkain. How much? 100? Ah.
Tôi cháu tôi là tôi
70.
thừa 7 phút đây.
I only have 70. 80. Only here. Masakit Okay. Masakit daw sa tuhod. 100. How many times? Just one? 80. I don't have money na. Sabi niya masakit daw sa tuhod. Okay, 80. Really? Kumayag na, kawawa na. Para ma-experience din natin. Naawa naman ako kay Kuya. Sabi niya masakit daw sa tuhod. Parang masaya naman ito. Kaya lang ikaw kasi yung nasa harap. Diba? Ayan, sige, para ma-experience lang natin guys. Isang ikot lang. Grabe. Ang sabi kasi ni Kuya sa akin, 200 daw. Sabi ko, no money. Sabi niya, 150. Naawa mo kay Kuya. Pero syempre hindi 80 ibigay natin. Ibigay na natin yung 100. Iniisip siguro ni Kuya, grabe naman, ang kuripot naman itong baklat ko. Ayan, ang tawag pala dito sa, ayan, dito, cyclos. Cyclos. Yan. Bakit siya cyclos? Kung open siya. Charis. Hindi ba dapat open? Yan. Charing. Yeah, cyclos ang tawag sa kanya. Total, nandito naman na kayo sa Hanoi. Try nyo natin.